everybody. In today's class, I will be discussing the linkage between role conflict and the changing structure of family in India as well as other parts of the world. I have already discussed what role conflict is all about. Just in single sentence, I will be briefing that role conflict refers to the inconsistency or disharmony or incompatibility or gap between role expectation and role behavior. How a person is expected to behave and how a person is really behaving, the gap between the two is called role conflict. How this role conflict is affecting the very structure of family in India as well as other parts of the world. You see, first of all, once upon a time, families all over the world were patriarchal. Patriarchal means, patri means father, archi means authority or decision making capacity. So patriarchy refers to an important institutions of society by which the eldest male member is expected to take the decision related to the matter of family. That is patriarchy. Patriarchy does not allow the women to become the decision makers of the family. You see, in modern times, value system all over the world, including India, is changing. So right now, a severe blow has been given to patriarchy. Challenge to patriarchy is also creating role conflict and it is also eventually contributing towards nuclearization of family. What is nuclearization? The process by which a joint family is getting converted into nuclear family is called nuclearization. You see, in tradition written days, the women were expected to become submissive to their husbands. They were expected to become submissive to their father-in-law. But these days, what is happening? Value system has been changed. Rational liberal thought has been diffused into the mindset of the people. Rational liberal thought has been diffused into mindsets of each and every member of the family. So because of it, what is happening? You see, obviously, now whenever the women in joint family, they feel that injustice has been done to them or their point of view has been outrightly rejected, right now they are challenging the decision of the male members, that is the husband, that is the father-in-law. And eventually it is contributing towards domestic disharmony, domestic fighting or conflict, and it may lead towards nuclearization of family. Second, you see, these days, obviously, the married people, they are giving more importance to their marital partner than to their parents and their siblings. Sibling means own brother and sister. Blood relatives, brother and sister. Blood related brother and sisters. So, these days, what is happening? Because we are living in a modern society, what is happening? Obviously, our role behavior stick to modernity. It gives, and in modern society, we give more importance to our marital partner than our old parents as well as our sibling. While this is also happening in a family, eventually it is contributing towards nuclearization of family. Next thing you see, these days, the scope of employment for women in different areas, different sectors of economy, may it be secondary sector like industry, may it be tertiary sector like service sector, has been substantially increased. So the scope of employment on part of women has been increased. As the scope of employment has been increased, their financial dependence on male members of family has been reduced. Apart from that, what is happening? Modern values have been inducted into their mind, that is rationality, liberty, individualism. Because of it, what is happening? Obviously, you see, there is growing a conflict between husband and wife. So, in traditional Indian society, women were expected to become submissive to their husband. But as in today's India, women are getting more and more employed in secondary sector and tertiary sector of economy. That's the reason they are not ready to stick to the traditional expectation, that is becoming submissive to their husband. And in this way, what is happening? Marital maladjustment between husband and wife is growing. Judicial separation between husband and wife is also increasing, and finally it is leading towards divorce. And these days, obviously, the rate of divorce all over the world, including India, is growing because of the role conflict. Then come to next one. Next one is education of women and growth of individualism. You see, in traditional Indian society, women's education was not encouraged. Once upon a time in our country, there were not only no supporter of women's education, but also there were many open enemies of women's education. But what happened? Starting from the advent of Britishers till today, 2020, lots of changes, a drastic and dramatic changes have taken place with respect to educational attainment of women and literacy level of women. So while women's educational attainment grew and women got exposure to higher education, modern education, western education, technical education, management education, legal education, as well as medical education. Right now, individualism also started growing among the women. So, in traditional society, women were expected to be submissive, not to challenge the authority of the male members. Right now, what happened? While educational attainment of women started growing, eventually it inducted the feeling of liberalism, the feeling of liberty, the feeling of rationality, and this also contributed towards role conflict in family, and eventually it also contributed towards increasing rate of divorce or even increasing pace of live-in relationship or single parents family and others. So this is all about the impact of role conflict on changing structure of family all over the world. This is all about the topic. Let me stop here. Rest of the things will be discussed in the next class. Thank you. Thank you a lot.